quick video. Oh my god, dude!
My dad cut himself with a chainsaw, and he getting paired up by this guy. He's kind of drunk, and they're trying to repair him with regular
No,
Band-Aids.
we're gonna repair
They're
him.
experimenting in their underwear together.
Yeah. I don't know why they're both wearing
If
underwear.
you're putting it on YouTube, that's fine.
How do you get this light off?
We'll put all this on.
Turn this light off.
Thank you, Eddie.
It's a pretty bad cut.
Whose beer is this?
Hey!
What? Is that your beer?
Steven,
No.
sit still.
Steven, sit still. While he gets closer and closer to your...
Oh,
Your penis.
balls?
Your penis in your
My
balls.
balls?
Okay.
Yeah, it's your
Getting
Yeah,
close
we
to
got
my
that.
balls?
Rubbing it!
No,
Oh,
I'm putting
God, that hurt.
Okay. One more Band-Aid.
Holy shit. That fucking hurt.
Oh, this is a big Band-Aid.
Mom, I got a red spot here and I'm using Band-Aid to get
What
off.
are you doing?
Look. Look.
Almost done.
Yep.
Looks like one
Almost
more
done.
Band-Aid.
One more Band-Aid. This is a big Band-Aid.
Why don't you show?
Oop, it's sticking to my gloves.
He's gonna push on it again. Get ready.
You ready?
Ah!
Okay.
Ow, 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 ow.
Gerald, stop pushing on it!
Oh no, we got
God,
it. We
what
got
are
it
you
together.
doing, dude?
I would put a medical strap on it.
Like they teach us. Do this, and then we do this. Put your fingers underneath, and then
Go re-sterilize now.
Mom, there was this red spot, then I fixed